focus needs work. When you work on something, you need focus. When you didn't distracted a minute for while you're working, you may get the best results exists. So if you want to get the best results possible, you need to mainly focus on your focus. It's a completely huge topic when we are talking about focus. So if you need to gain focus, there are many ways you can gain focus, and you can reduce the amount of distractions. Distraction is not this video's topic. If you want a video about distraction, just comment distraction and I'll create a new video for it. Nice. In this video today, we are going to talk about how to gain unlimited focus with the help of flow state. Have you ever seen the movie Limitless?
What?
He will work without knowing what the time is. His time goes on, but he works focusedly and interestingly. He makes the work productive. Why is this happening? So, a pill will help him to gain so much focus and motivation, but pill does not exist. So, well, how to gain focus? I'll explain you how to attain the flow state, which will help you to gain more success. So let me break down this in 3 simple steps. Maybe it may go to 4. Let's start. Number 1, arrange. So when you start arranging things in an order, you will have clarity about what you're going to do. When you have the clarity about what you're going to do, you can reduce the resistance to do a work, and you can increase the amount of speed you're going to start. Well, everyone says starting is hard. Yes, starting is hard. But when you start to work on, you will feel effortless. So the thing is how to start effortless. To start effortless, plan and arrange things before a day. So when you plan your day before your working day, you may feel motivated to work well because you have a less amount of work. Number 2, reduce distractions. So if you're going to work in 2 hours straight, you need to definitely focus on reducing distractions, because it will greatly affect on your work when you are focused. So to keep on the momentum going, make sure your environment is clean and make sure to not have many things around you. Make sure you clean your table. Number 3, don't work too much of hours. Yes, flow state is a thing like energy. When you work for at least 2 hours, it will drain. So you need to make sure to refill the energy. Refill your flow state. To refill your energy, you need rest. So, and this 2 hours time have a great impact on your productivity, because imagine you're working 10 hours. You planned for 10 hours a day. I'm going to study these topics straight 10 hours. You don't even focus because, oh, I have 10 hours, I'm going to read 10 hours fully, so I can get some rest, so I can get distracted. Even if I get distracted, I have 10 hours. You shouldn't do that. You should have at least 2 focused hours. So 2 focused hours is greater than 10 hours of distracted work. So make sure you have 2 hours and a half an hour break, and again 2 hours work. This is enough for a day. If you work 4 hours a day for your goal, there is no way you can not succeed in your life. So number 4 is, this is so much important. I thought to tell it as a bonus point. So make sure you note it. It is important. So this is called ritual. So what is meant by ritual in your ways? Ritual is doing something in an order from your ancestors. They are given this, but you should follow entirely in your life. So I am going to give you a ritual. If you follow this, the starting will be easy, and when you start doing things, you will get on the work, and if you get on the work, 2 hours of focused work is completed and a 1 hour break, and another 2 hours of focused work. While starting this ritual, if you start doing this ritual, you can get into the work easily, and you can get 4 hours of focused work. What is the ritual is listen to music. What? This might sound silly, but when you do a habit, if you insist a habit while doing another habit, like in Atomic Habits, James Clear has written, when you insert if you want to create a habit, you should not to create a habit, you should insert a habit. So while you're doing this work, make sure you insert a habit of listening to a music. Make sure not to listen to too much of music, not high dopamine music. Make sure it is calm, pleasant music. You should follow this daily. You should have the same music daily. So when you listen to the music, you understood you are going to start making your work. So when you start understanding this, after I listen to the music, I'll start doing this work. Your brain adapts to the habit, and when you listen to the music every day, you understand, okay, after this I'm going to read, I'm going to work. This is the perfect ritual where you can increase your productivity into 10 times. If you love this video, make sure you like and hit the subscribe button and share this with your friends. It will be useful for them too. And thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next good video. And I'm Adarsh. Peace. Wait. I'm Adarsh. Make sure to subscribe.